I'm Bridget Harvey. Welcome back to A Change of Address. This week's episode is about marketing. How do we market your property in order to get you the most money possible? First of all, there's the traditional methods: open houses, mailers, even some cold calling. All of that is kind of in transition right now. Next up, the digital process. That's where most buyers are looking first and where we want them to see your home highlighted in its best light. Those are websites, maybe even some blogs. And then there's social media. This could be considered digital. It is online. However, I think it's this other third space where buyers are always searching on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. They're on all of those websites, so we want to position your property on all of those websites as well, with professional videography, professional photography, and sponsored posts to make sure that your home is getting into theirs. Let me know if you're ready to have a conversation about a change of address.